Doctor Sophia.
Huh? Hi, everyone.
Hello, Doctor Sophia.
Wanna play? Woohoo! Yeah! Huh? Line up, everyone.
You need the potty.
I'll take you to the potty. No, I don't need the potty. Wow!
Yay!
Great job, Max.
It's me, baby. Here's the potty. Come sit down. Take your time. It's okay. You are safe. The potty helps you feel just fine.
You need the potty.
Aha!
No. The potty helps you feel better. No!
Huh?
Everyone, come here!
What's the next game?
Aha! Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Huh?
What's going on?
You need the potty. This is your last diaper.
Want to play hide and seek?
Yeah, let's play! 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
Huh? Aha! Aha!
I hear something. Stay calm, stay calm.
It's me, baby. Here's the potty.
Potty! I need the
Come sit
potty!
down. Take your time. It's okay. You are safe.
Aha!
The potty helps you feel just fine. Dinner time, everyone. Christmas time is here today. Let's enjoy the magic air. Knock, knock, someone is coming. Do you have marshmallows today? Don't worry or think too much.
Okay, I can share with you.
Ho, 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 come share with me. Merry Christmas, fun and glee. Sharing love is everywhere. Feel the magic in the air.
Bye!
Christmas time is here today. Let's enjoy the magic air. Knock, knock, someone is coming.
Can I get some candy canes?
Don't worry or think too much.
Sure, you can have some, friend.
Ho, 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 come share with me. Merry Christmas, fun and glee. Sharing love is everywhere. Feel the magic in the air. Christmas time is here today. Let's enjoy the magic air.
share with you.
Ho, 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 come share with me. Merry Christmas, fun and glee. Cherry love is everywhere. Feel the magic in the air. Christmas time is here today. Let's enjoy the magic air. Knock, knock, someone is coming. Let's all share with everyone. For you and also for me. Sharing makes us feel happy. Ho, 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 come share with me. Merry Christmas, fun and glee. Sharing love is everywhere. Feel the magic in the air. Sharing love is everywhere. Feel the magic in the air. Jack's got a wobbly tooth. Oh, it doesn't feel good. If he just bite and chew, will it fall out? Oh, no. Jack listens to his tooth. Is it getting loose? Hey, buddy Jack, let's go see the dentist. He will help you, don't worry. The dentist gave him something. It tastes like strawberry. It's magic numbing gel, so good he felt. Now it's an empty hole. Oh, will a new tooth grow?
When will my tooth grow back?
Hey, buddy Jack, when you sleep, the tooth fairy, he will help you, don't worry. Milk and baby porridge are what Max drinks and eats. Apples look so yummy, but Max has no teeth. Not yet to bite or chew, he is still so little.
When will Max have his teeth?
Hey, baby Max, when you are 6 months old, your baby teeth will start to show. Little teeth will appear when the time's just right, dear. They will stay with you for 6 or 7 years. Keep them clean and shiny, brush them twice daily.
And comes the tooth fairy.
When you grow big, baby teeth go away. For new ones come and stay.
Wow, Max has teeth now.